me, Cady. I just got done making a video that makes this big giant slime, and now I'm going to show you guys how. Oh, you guys are going to watch me. I'm going to put it into the container. So let's do that thing. It looks so magical. This is so big. How am I going to rip it? So, alright, now I'm going to put it in these containers. Super hard to rip. Alright, so this is unicorn clouds. Well, it's not unicorn clouds anymore. Well, I wrote it with Sharpie, so... Next, we're going to start with the unicorn drop. Start with the unicorn drop. So let's put the unicorn rope in. This one's going to be in the unicorn rope container. Wait. Yeah, the unicorn's rope. If you're wondering how my face looks when I'm trying to rip slime, that's how it looks. Oh my god. Just gonna, oh, look at that. Now it's time for the unicorn poop. Oh, this is gonna look like unicorn poop. Yeah. They just flied. Piece just flied. So hard to rip it. Oh, okay. It's so hard. Oh my. I just felt like it just flew through my hair. Now I don't know where it is. Oh, wait. I found it. Alright, so. These make the slime look magical. Well, actually, these glasses make it look 3D. You guys look 3D. You want to see how it looks when it's 3D? Show you. Magical. No. Do you look 3D? Do we look 3D? You guys look 3D. Do we look 3D? It looks 3D to you guys, right? But when I wear it, you guys look all rainbows. All rainbow everywhere. Looks like back in the days. No, seriously, it looks like back in the days. Wait a second. I just saw this slime. It looks like rainbow. Even though it's rainbow. Well, it's not rainbow. It didn't have all the colors of the rainbow, but it looks rainbow. This is going to be a long video. Hopefully not. If I hurry up. Alright, now I have to try to close it. Wow, that's pretty full. Oh no! We forgot to mix one more slime. Daddy, we forgot to mix one more slime, so I'm going to cut it in this video. I made a second video, but now I forgot to mix one more, so we're going to mix it right now. I just bended my fingers. So yeah, now it's all mixed. I'm just gonna rip it. Oh, look at that. It looks like a sandwich. What's going on back there? Am I right? What? Looks like a sandwich again. Well, actually it looks like macaroons. Bonjour to the French people. Oh god. This is gonna take forever to put away. So, right now, this one is called Hawaiian. I put all of them. Now it's time for the big container.
This is also
Oh yeah.
pretty much
Oh, it fits. Perfect.
pepperoni person or cheese.
So,
I just gonna these two. That one.
thank you for guys watching my video. If you want to see my other video when I mixed all these slimes together, it's also in YouTube. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below. What slime should I make and when should I mix all my slime together? Bye bye. Peace out. Slime out.